Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find Outlook password. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the Microsoft Outlook page. Once logged in, now, on the main Outlook page, direct your attention to your profile picture, usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select My Microsoft Account. Once inside your Microsoft account page, locate the Security section. You can often find this in a menu at the left side of the screen. Clicking on Security brings you to a dedicated area for all things involving account protection and personal security settings. With security taking center stage, the next step is to find the option to change your password. Look for a clear link or button labeled something like Change Your Password. Click on it, and you'll be guided to a screen where you can input a new password of your choice. Your new password should be strong yet memorable. You might be asked to type it twice to confirm, which helps prevent typos from slipping through. After confirming, save the new password. With one successful click, your Outlook password should now be updated. And that's it. So that is how you can find Outlook password. So that's all for this video. Thanks.